Hi, I'm Renata. Welcome to my channel. I wish you a happy holidays. In this video, I will make veg puff pastry or veg patties with frozen ready-to-bake puff pastry dough. It will considerably shorten the time for making very crispy, flaky and delicious snack for any occasion. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon with the notification selected as all. Please watch the video till the end as I have shared many useful tips and tricks, alternates and many types of pastry folds to make perfect puff pastries every time, even by a non-regular baker like me. Let's begin with the ingredients used here. The measurements will serve 2 to 20 people. I have taken frozen ready-to-bake Indo-European puff pastry dough sheets. It has pre-cut 5 by 5 square dough sheets. Each packet has 10 pieces of square sheets separated by parchment papers. It was frozen in the deep fridge or freezer. The night before I made this pastry, I transferred it to the general refrigerator to slowly defrost. As you can see, the sheets are still frozen. They still can't be separated. So I opened the packet and left the sheets outside in the room temperature for 3 hours to defrost before separating them. In the winter, it can take 3 hours, but in the summer, the time can be 1 hour. While the sheets are defrosting, I have done some preparatory works. To make the filling, in a microwavable bowl, I have taken diced potato, 2 cups from 3 pieces of medium-sized potatoes. Diced carrot, 1 cup from 2 pieces of medium-sized carrots. Frozen peas, 1/4 cup. Water, 3 cups. And salt, 1 teaspoon. Not captured here. I have microwaved for 18 minutes or till all veggies are boiled but still retains their respective shapes. After 18 minutes, the veggies are boiled, so I strained water and tasted the salt to know how much salt to add later. To cook the filling, I have heated sunflower oil 3 tablespoons in a pan till steaming hot. I've added 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of carom seeds, and half piece of a bay leaf. I have fried in low heat till golden brown. Then I added grated ginger 2 tablespoons. I fried it for 1 minute in medium heat. As I am not using any onion or garlic in the filling, multiple masalas will add a nice taste and flavor to the filling besides making it healthy. Then I added diced bell pepper, 3/4 cup from half of a bell pepper. I added salt 1/4 teaspoon and fried it in medium heat for 2 minutes so that its rawness goes away and gives a good taste. Then I added boiled veggies, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I fried them in medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I added half cup of diced tomato and half cup of chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. I fried for 2 minutes. Then I added chopped green chilies, half teaspoon. I have cooked all ingredients for 2 to 3 minutes. I gently press the veggies to make them slightly mushy. A little mushy veggie filling is good to eat. Then I added lime juice, half of a lime. I have cooked for another 2 to 3 minutes or till the filling is dry and is not sticking to the pan. This step is very important as a soggy filling will make soggy patties. My filling looks done. I have tasted it. It is also yummy. So I switched off the gas stove, removed the bay leaf and left the filling open to cool down to room temperature. After 3 hours, the dough sheets have defrosted. They can be separated. As you can see, Each sheet is separated from the other sheet with a square parchment paper or butter paper so that they do not stick to each other. I have preheated the oven at 350 Fahrenheit at bake mode for 15 minutes. The filling is also cool, so I started making the pastries. I have sprinkled some all-purpose flour on a board and coated it nicely. This will prevent the dough sheets from sticking to the board. I have placed the defrosted sheets on the flour-coated board and sprinkled some all-purpose flour on the sheets as well. Then, with a rolling pin, I smoothened the surface of the sheets. However, the thickness must not change, otherwise the folds inside it will not open when baked. Once coated with all-purpose flour on both sides, they can be stacked on top of each other as well. Since I have 10 sheets, I divided the filling into 10 parts so that the filling is equally distributed in all 10 sheets. For me, each portion is 1/4 cup. I have made them in different shapes and sizes. Any one can be used as per choice. The first one I made is triangular. I have put filling about 1 tablespoon more than 1/4 cup in it to fit a regular 5 by 5 inch sheet. With water, I coated the 4 ends of the sheet to act like a glue and help to seal the pastries. I folded the sheet diagonally into a triangle and pressed the ends to seal it. The dough can be adjusted by pulling it outward or pushing it inward. I press the top with hand to spread the filling uniformly inside the pastries. It is ready. In the same way, I made rest of the pastry shapes like rectangles and envelope. The shorter triangular and rectangular pastries can be made by cutting the sheets diagonally and horizontally or vertically. For these, the filling can be 1 to 2 tablespoons instead of 1/4 cup. I have got 14 pastries of assorted shapes and sizes. I placed them on 2 baking trays with parchment paper or butter paper on them. With milk, I glazed 4 pastries. I egg washed the rest of them. With milk or egg wash, I brushed the top part of the pastries to give them a golden brown glaze. Based on the ingredients used to glaze the pastries, the color will vary. I made egg wash by adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of water to 1 piece of egg. Then beated them together. Instead of water, milk or cream can also be used. Instead of egg, milk can be used. I then placed the 2 trays in the middle of the preheated ovens. I baked in the convection mode at 300 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I baked for another 15 minutes. Since I was not happy with the color of the glaze, I baked for another 5 minutes. Thus, I baked for 40 minutes in total. The total baking time will vary with make, model and size of the oven. Since I was using this brand of dough sheet for the first time, I baked in baby steps like this. You can also use this way. After 40 minutes, my veg patties are beautifully baked. They have beautiful golden brown glaze on them. So I took out the trays and placed them outside to cool down. These pastries are glazed with milk while the rest are with egg wash. The milk wash are a bit lighter than the egg wash. Otherwise, there's no difference in look and taste. After 20 minutes, the pastries are cool. See, the pastries are so flaky and crispy outside, but the filling is still so moist and soft. The veg pastry is delicious. It serves 2 to 14 people. Please make it at home like this and share it with your friends and family members. Write in the comment box how it was. I read all comments. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon with the notification selected as all. You can also ask queries. I will love to answer them. If you have a different technique or a suggestion that you want to share with me or my BCR family, you are most welcome to do so. I will be back with another tasty recipe soon. Till then, tata.